Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here, I'm going to show you how to buy Elon coin on KuCoin. Alright, so this here, it's a meme coin, same as Shiba and Doge and other stuff. And to get into it, please get with the money that you're willing to lose. So if it does not go well, it's okay and you haven't lost anything. Alright, it's a meme coin. To get into a meme coin, you need to get in with money that you are willing to burn and lose. Okay, and you get to as many meme coins as possible, so if one of them takes off, you'll get the returns on the other ones that you've lost on. But again, you need to get into them with money that you're willing to lose. All right, so now that's out of the way. So Elon coin, it's on decentralized exchanges, but on those decentralized exchanges the fees are super high because they are using Ethereum blockchain and it has a higher gas fee, and those gas fees that you'll be willing to pay, you'll rather buy more coins with them. So how to buy Elon on KuCoin? So it's pretty similar to Binance and other centralized exchanges. Create an account, you'll find the link in the description, then go to assets and deposit and withdraw. You can type in the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit, that you have on another platform or your wallet that you're willing to deposit it to. Here just type in the name of the coin, so let's say VET, and as you can see I have 0 on it, and you can deposit or withdraw. Okay, or just go to deposit in here. It's way simpler than this, and select the coin that you want to deposit. I would suggest to deposit USDT because as of this moment right now, Elon, you can only buy and sell Elon with USDT, which is a stable coin. All right, so but it's okay if you want to deposit any other cryptocurrency, you can, and then convert it and swap it on the platform here to a USDT. I will show you how to do that. All right, so for example, now that we have it, you can copy this and paste it on the platform you are withdrawing your cryptocurrency. All right, now go to trade and spot trading. After you get to the trading dashboard here, just go to here and type in the cryptocurrency that you've deposited. Let's say VET, and choose VET to USDT. All right, then go to sell VET. Like for example, in here I am using VET, but you'll be selling the cryptocurrency that you've deposited. So then choose the amount that you want to sell, choose 100% or 50%, it depends on you, and sell VET, and now you'll be having USDT. All right, just now go to here and type in Elon, and here it is, Elon to USDT, and here we are. All right, this is the chart, this is the bargain, this is orders that people put in here. People want to buy with lower price than the market price. All right, this is the current market price, and this is people put in the amount for buying with a higher. So these are trying to sell, these are trying to buy. Okay, so here if you want to buy and buy instantly, you need to choose the current price, so you can just buy at that moment. If you want to bargain and get a best price or a lower price, put in the one of these. Okay, and wait for it to get to that price point. Okay, but if you have been waiting for a long time, you'll find the call that you've put in here, just cancel it and put in the price that you want again to go through instantly. All right, so just you can click on the current market price and it will automatically fill in, or you can choose one of these bargaining. It depends on you if you want to sell or buy. Okay, and choose the best price for you, and again you need to choose a reasonable price, so the call or the order that you have put in to go through. All right, and then click buy Elon, and then when the order goes through, you'll find it on your wallet. So this is it. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.